I'm Debbie from thehomeofinteriors.co.uk, and this video is going to give you an overview of the Somfy Motorised Curtain Track that is now available in a black profile. So the Somfy Motorised Curtain Track has been available in this white profile for many years, but it's now available in a black profile shown here. So the black profile is great for bifold or sliding doors that have aluminium or anthracite or even black frames. So those darker colourways really blending with this lovely black profile. The Crystal style doors are really popular now that we're seeing a lot of, and again they tend to have the black frames, so the black track just blends much more tonally with those window furniture items. Everything that you would expect from a componentry perspective will be in black. So the gliders will be in black, the ceiling fix clamp brackets will be in black. The motors, however, will remain in white, as these will be concealed by the curtain. So the curtain wraps around the motor, so will be hidden, so they will stay in white. But everything else will be black for a sort of coordinated look. All the Somfy motor options are available through the Home of Interiors. We offer the Somfy RTS and Zigbee motor options on our website, along with some battery operated options as well. For WT 230 volt switched and DCT dry contact switch, please get in touch with us and we can run through the details in more detail with our technical team. If you have any questions or need any help or advice, please do get in touch. Please email sales@thehomeofinteriors.co.uk or call us on 01590 615 775 and a member of the team would be delighted to help. We hope you found this video useful and informative. If you have, please do give us the thumbs up. Please subscribe to our website to be kept up to date with new product news, product information and useful hints and tips for your interiors. Thank you very much for watching.